Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix PlayStation PC SDK runtime is missing error in Lost Soul Aside game. So to fix this issue, you have to run this file one by one and install them on your PC. So here how to do it. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Lost Soul Aside game, select manage, browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open this PSPC folder. Now right click on install PC SDK runtime file and select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now this will take some time. Please let them install. Now press any key to continue. So press any key on your keyboard to continue. Now double click this second file and let them to install. Now this will again take some time. Now double click the third file, allow it to install. Click yes to allow. That's it. Now you can launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. This will fix the error, but still if your error is not fixed, then verify the integrity of game file. So right click on Lost Soul Aside game, then go to properties, then go to install files, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the file you can launch the game and then check error is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.